So way back in the beginning of December, I got these tire chains that I found on Facebook Marketplace. The guy told me he had them on a case tractor. So I took a chance. I didn't really know the dimensions of them. He just said they're about 6 feet long. Took a chance and they ended up fitting just right. So I'll show you how I measured them out and stuff and how I measured the tire form in this previous clip. The Bolens pushes snow pretty good without the chains because it has a locking rear differential, and that keeps both tires spinning at the same time. So it does pretty good in the snow already, but the tire chains should help out somewhat too. So I'm going to plow this about 3 or 4 inches of heavy wet snow we got today. I'll plow that here in a minute and we'll see how it did. They're about 72 inches long, or 6 feet long by 16 wide. And I draped one over this tire to see how they fit, and it looks like it's going to be just about right, maybe just a hair long, which is better than being short. So my tires are, the overall is about 28 inches in diameter, but where the chains lay, it's more like 22 or 23 inches. So to find your circumference at that diameter, you multiply the diameter by 3.14, which is pi. So 22 inches would be the diameter I'm looking at, because that's where the chain is riding along the center of the sidewall. And 22 times 3.14 is about like 74 inches, and these chains are about 73 inches long, so I'm just about right. And my width, the width of my tire, just the tire itself is 11 inches, and these were 16, so that worked out just right. I took a chance, you know, I didn't really know for sure when I bought them, but they ended up fitting just right. Okay, so let's put them on. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay them out flat behind it and just back over them. Put it so that when this folds up, that end of the chain there sticks out. I didn't want it rubbing on the tire. I think that's the right way to put it. Okay, so let's see how this is going to work. That's on. Seems to fit pretty good. So, hey, thanks for watching. Leave a comment, thumbs up if you liked it. Thanks.